Welcome students to Kanchan Sudha online classes. Today we are going to revise three important topics. First one is tables from 21 to 30. Second one multiples and factors, and third one is HCF and LCM. Our first topic is maths table. Let's learn it. First one, the table of 21. 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are 42, 21 threes are 63, 21 fours are 84, 21 fives are 105, 21 sixes are 126, 21 sevens are 147, 21 eights are 168, 21 nines are 189, 21 tens are 210. In the same way, the table of 22, table of 23, table of 24, table of 25, table of 26, table of 27, table of 28, table of 29 and the table of 30 are shown here. You can also write and then learn it. Our second important topic is multiples and factors. What is factor? Here let us check. Is 4 a factor of 24? Divide 24 by 4. The quotient is 6 and remainder is 0. Whenever the remainder of any division process is 0, then that time divisor is a factor of dividend. Therefore here 4 is a factor of 24. Next concept is what is the multiple of a number. For example, in the product 3 into 4 is equal to 12. The factors of 12 are 3 and 4. Therefore 12 is a multiple of 3 as well as 4. A multiple of a number is the product obtained when the given number is multiplied by the same or any other number. Let us take one more example. Multiple of 5. When 5 is multiplied by any number, then we get its multiple. See here. 5 is multiplied by 0, 1, 2, 5, 8, 12, 24, 38, 46, 59, 100. Then we get the series of multiple of 5. We get series of multiples by multiplying the given number by other numbers. Multiples of 5 are 0, 5, 10, 25, 40, 60, 120, 190, 230, 295 and 500. These are the multiples of 5. Let us take another example. The multiple of 12. Here you can see in the slide the table of 12 is written. Therefore, it is nothing but a table of 12. Table of any number is also the series of multiple of that number. In this slide, some remarks about multiples and factors are written. You can read them properly. Now, let us study some terms related to multiples and factors. Prime numbers and composite numbers. What are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers that has only two factors, one and itself. For example, 7. Here, the factors of 7 are 1 and 7 itself. Therefore, 7, 17, 13, 19, 59. These are some examples of prime numbers. These numbers are the prime numbers between 1 to 100. 2 is the only even prime number. There are 25 numbers which are prime and less than 100. Second concept is composite numbers. Composite numbers is the number that has more than two factors. For example, 8. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Means 8 has more than two factors. Therefore, 8, 16, 50, 75, 98, 95, 99. These are the examples of composite number. One more important remark is 1 is the only number which is neither prime nor composite. Third most important topic is HCF and LCM. HCF means highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Now we are going to learn prime factorization method to find HCF and LCM as well. Now the example of HCF. Let us take one example, that is find the HCF of 24 and 36 by using prime factorization method. Now here prime factorization of 24 using vertical arrangement. Here 24 can be divided by 2. Answer is 12. We write 12 downside of 24. Again 12 is divided by 2. Answer is 6. We write that 6 downside of 12. Again 6 is divided by 2. Answer is 3, which is written downside of 6. And again 3 is only divisible by 3. The answer is 1. Therefore horizontally the factorization of 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. In the same way, the prime factorization of 36 by using vertical arrangement. 36 is divisible by 2, answer is 18. Again 18 is divisible by 2, answer is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, answer is 3. And 3 again divisible by 3, answer is 1. You can check both the vertical arrangement. We took only prime numbers to find the factors of particular numbers. Now horizontally 36 can be written as 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now find the common factors between 24 and 36. 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 36 is written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. LCM of 24 and 36. Here see, common numbers are 2 into 2 into 3. This is in 24 also, and 2 into 2 into 3 is in 36 also. Therefore the answer is 12. Highest common factor of 24 and 36 is 12. Now next concept is LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Let us take one example, 15 and 20. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, and 15 eights are 120. Like this you can write the multiples of 15. Write multiples of 20 also. 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 25s are 100, and 26 are 120. Now see, 60 is common in 15 and 20 also, and 120 is common in 15 and 20 also, but the least value is 60. Therefore the LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Second example, find LCM of 15 and 60 using prime factorization method. Prime factorization of 15 is 3 into 5, and prime factorization of 60 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Common factors between 15 and 60 are 3 into 5, answer is 15, and uncommon factors are 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. LCM is nothing but the product of common factor and uncommon factor. Common factors are 15 and uncommon factors are 4. Therefore 15 fours are 60. LCM of 15 and 60 is 60. There is one property of HCF and LCM is product of any given two numbers is always equal to product of their HCF and their LCM. Dear students, please revise all these topics and try to solve more examples other than these examples. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.